How to protect yourself during an earthquake. Discover 10 essential safety tips to stay calm and secure when the ground starts shaking. 1. Drop, cover, and hold on. Drop to your hands and knees. Hide under a sturdy table or desk, and hold on tight to avoid falling or injuries from heavy objects. Practice drop, cover, and hold on at home with upbeat music to be ready when it counts. 2. Stay inside. If you are inside a building during an earthquake, do not run outside. Falling glass and debris make the outside very dangerous. A story of safety. One person stayed safely inside during a major quake, showing the importance of calm and shelter amidst shaking walls. 3. Stay away from windows. Keep away from windows to avoid injury from breaking glass flying everywhere during an earthquake. Near windows. Standing close to windows puts you at risk of cuts and injuries from shattered glass. Safe distance. Keeping a safe distance helps prevent injuries from flying glass during an earthquake. 4. Protect your head. Use your arms, a pillow, or a book to shield your head from falling debris during an earthquake. What not to use. Avoid using inappropriate items like a fruit bowl to protect your head. Be smart and safe. 5. Do not use elevators. Elevators may stop working during earthquakes, trapping you inside. Always use stairs instead. Emergency responder tips. Avoiding elevators during an earthquake can save your life. Always use stairs and follow official guidance. 6. Stay calm. Take deep breaths and keep your mind clear. Staying calm helps you make smart and safe choices. Interactive breathing exercise. Breathe in deeply, then breathe out slowly. Staying calm keeps you safe during emergencies. 7. If outside, go to an open space. Move away from buildings, trees, and power lines to safer open areas during an earthquake. Drone footage. See clearly the safe open spaces where you can stay protected outdoors during an earthquake. 8. If driving, stop the car. Pull over safely, avoid bridges and overpasses, keep your seatbelt on, and wait until shaking stops. 9. Do not light a fire. Avoid lighting fires or flames. Gas lines may break and cause explosions during and after an earthquake. Fun fact. Many fires caused by earthquakes start from open flames. Stay flame-free to keep safe. 10. Listen for news. Use a radio or phone to receive important safety updates and emergency instructions after an earthquake. Inspiration. Timely news coverage has saved many lives by providing crucial information during earthquake emergencies. Earthquake Safety Summary. Remember these 10 essential actions. Drop, cover, and hold on. Stay inside. Keep away from windows. Protect your head. Avoid elevators. Stay calm. Seek open spaces. Stop car if driving. Do not light fires. And listen for news to stay safe. Remember, stay calm, stay smart, and stay safe. Share this video to help your family and friends be prepared too.